Welcome to Mindfulness with Miss B, where kids learn all about social emotional wellness. Let's start today's yoga practice by bringing our head to our left and feeling that stretch, and then rolling it down, and then rolling it onto the right to feel that stretch on that side as well. We're going to take 3 circles going to the right. 1, 2, 3. Now switch directions. We're going to the left. 1, 2, 3. Feeling that release in our neck and in our upper shoulders. It feels so good. Now go ahead and sit up tall, and we're going to put our heads back. You can release your mouth if that feels comfortable, putting your chin up to the ceiling. Now go ahead and take your left arm and reach it over your body. You should feel this side stretch. Very good. Now switching sides, the left hand goes down, the right arm goes up, and it goes to bend over your body. Go ahead and feel that side body stretch on the other side. Very good. Now coming back to center, and you're going to go ahead and put your arms up to the ceiling, breathing in, and exhaling, leaning forward, breathing out. Go ahead, while you're in this adjusted child's pose, set an intention for today's practice. Breathing in and breathing out. Your breath controls everything. Reach forward toward your intention. Breathing in and breathing out. During this practice, if anything is difficult or maybe uncomfortable, you can always come back to this position. Come back to your intention. Go ahead, roll up into a seated position, and we're going to slowly stand up. Very good. Come to the back of your mat or the back of your towel, and go ahead and put your arms up to the sky in mountain pose. Nice and tall, and fold on over, hands to your toes. You're folded. Try to touch your nose to your knees, trying the best that you can. Inhaling and exhaling, rolling out. Go ahead and walk your hands to the front of your mat into our first downward dog. Go ahead and put your hips up to the ceiling, pressing into the palms of your hands. This should feel comfortable. Sending your weight back. Remember to breathe in through our nose, out through our mouth. Great job. We're in our downward dog for just another breath, breathing in, and on our exhale, lift up your right leg. Lift it up to whatever height feels comfortable for you, and go ahead and exhale, knee to nose, and release that knee to the top of your mat. We're in pigeon pose. Go ahead, make sure your hips are comfortable. Breathe in, and on your exhale, lean forward. Breathing, thinking about your intention for today. Breathing in, breathing out. Put your hands to your ears and go ahead and slowly rise on up and come back to downward dog, swinging that leg back up in a reverse stretch. Great. Back in downward dog, we're breathing and bring the other leg up. Our left leg is up in the air, and we swing it forward, knee to nose, and into pigeon. Go ahead, sit up tall, breathe in, and exhale, lean forward. Breathing here in this pose. Every time we exhale, we get a little deeper. Hands to ears. Go ahead and slowly rise on up. Good, back to downward dog. Put that foot up into the air if that feels comfortable for you. Breathing here. Remember why you showed up today. Good. Bring your right leg up and bring that right leg forward. We're in our first warrior. Our front foot is facing forward and our back foot is angled slightly. Go ahead and lean back, feeling that stretch in reverse warrior. Breathing. Excellent. Slowly come on up, back into our steady warrior. And go ahead and take your left hand to the ground and peel your right arm up. Good. Squeeze your core. It's okay if you wiggle. It's okay if you fall. Look up to the ceiling. Where your eyes go, your bodies go. Great job. Feeling your body peel on open here. Making sure your front foot is forward. Good. Bring that hand back down to the mat. Go back into downward dog. Pick up that leg and put it back into downward dog. Excellent. Very good. Bring that other leg up. Our left leg is up. And we're going to swing it forward into our lunge. Using your core, standing up tall. We're in warrior on our other side. You are a warrior. Front foot is straight, back foot is angled, and we're reaching back into reverse warrior. So our back leg is straight and our front leg is bent. Good. Just like that. Very good. Feeling that stretch, squeezing our core, breathing, focusing on our intention for today. Go ahead and bring that right hand down and bring that left hand up. Excellent. Peeling your body up, feeling that stretch. Very good. It's okay if you fall. You're trying your best. Good. Bring both hands to the mat. Come back into downward dog, taking a deep breath in, and on our exhale, walking our hands to our toes. Slowly rise up, vertebrae by vertebrae. Slowly, slowly. Great. Go ahead, put your hand on your belly or on your heart and take a deep breath in. In through our nose and out through our mouth. You did it. You finished this yoga practice. Fist pump, high five the person next to you. I'm so proud of you for showing up today. Great job.